Welcome back, Class 1, in third session of EVS, Chapter 4, Community Helpers. In this session, we will learn more about community helpers. So let's start. Children, do you like cake? Yes, a birthday cannot be completed with cake, isn't it? Who bakes cake? Bakers. Very good. A baker bakes bread, cakes, and cookies. He sells breads and other products made of flour by using an oven. He crafts and creates new and exciting baked items such as cookies, pastries, and pies. Children, केक बेकर्स बहुत क्रिएटिव होते हैं. वो हर बार न्यू डिज़ाइंस के केक बनाते हैं. The place where a baker works is called a bakery. आप कभी बेकरी पर गए हो? Yes, अपने बर्थडे पे अपनी पसंद की केक ऑर्डर करने. Children, who is hairdresser? Hairdresser is also known as a barber. A hairdresser gives us a haircut when we need one. They offer hair care, cleaning, and cutting. Next community helper is a garbage collector. A garbage collector collects all the garbage from our homes. A garbage collector makes sure that the streets are clean. अगर गार्बेज कलेक्टर कचरा नहीं हटाएगा तो हमारा कम्युनिटी एरिया गंदा रहेगा और बीमारियां फैलेगी. सो अ गार्बेज कलेक्टर इज अ इम्पॉर्टेंट कम्युनिटी हेल्पर. We should respect them. We are taking fresh air because of them. Children, have you ever seen the police managing the traffic? Yes, they are called traffic police. A traffic police helps to manage the traffic on the road. They ensure that nobody breaks traffic rules. Children, we have to follow the traffic rules, such as wear a helmet while driving on bike. Use the seat belt while driving a four-wheeler. We have to stop on red lights. They serve to keep the roads safer. They guide and alert us about traffic rules. Our next community helper is the person who designs and stitches beautiful dresses. Yes, a tailor. A tailor is a person who makes clothes for us. They also repair and alter our clothes. हम जैसा चाहें वैसा ड्रेस टेलर से सिलवा सकते हैं. They stitch many types of clothes like suits, jackets, and dresses. A tailor helps make our clothes fit us better so that we look smart. A plumber ensures that water comes in and out of our house properly. A plumber can repair the leakage of any pipe. They can fix any problem related to water pipes fittings and taps. Plumber और भी काम कर सकते हैं. They can also repair a washing machine and dishwasher. They also have safety and problem solving skills. Children, if you want that your house would look good, whom you will call? Yes, to a painter. A painter repairs and paints the wall. A painter can give a new look to our house. A painter has many different methods to make our house beautiful. Now, exercise time. I will ask, whom will you call? It is given in your textbook on the page number 120. So, let's start now. Whom will you call when there is a fire in your house? What will be the answer? Yes, firefighter. Next, whom will you call when some thieves steal your bag? Yes, policeman. Next, whom will you call when you need to get a dress stitched? Yes, tailor. Now children, this is your home assignment. Make a list of community helpers who live in your community. Children, with this we have completed our chapter. Hope you all have understood about our community helpers. Read the chapter to understand it properly. Thank you.